We got a nice little fire going here. I got the method from the Fork and Embers channel. I highly suggest you check that guys out. He showed me the snake method on how to make the coals burn a little slower. Mine was burning, so I decided to adjust the vents to restrict that airflow and also let some more heat out of the top so it didn't get too hot. As you hear, you're sitting right below 200 Fahrenheit. I got two here. I got a marinated and just a salt cure simple, and then some skewers for the salt cured. So here I am violently stabbing. I'm making sure it's going to fit in there because I didn't check beforehand. It ended up fitting. I had to kind of carefully balance it, but it ended up working out. This salt was a little much, as you'll see later, even though I rinsed it off. It was quite salty, but I like salty, so it works. And here, don't do this. I don't know what I was thinking. It's been sitting there smoking, and what do? Grab it. It was a little hot, but see, I have it barely balanced in there, and somehow it did not fall in. The coals died there a little bit, so I had to get it going, but I am going to lay just a marinated little across the grill there. It's a little bit easier. Here it is after about 30 minutes, I think. Looking good, nice smoky. The meat hadn't fallen in there yet from the skewers, so that was good. Just checking on the temperature is a little low here. You want it above, I'd say at least 160. And then about 2 hours later, I came back. It actually started burning a little bit more. Sitting about 170, lower than I like. So I got the fire going a little bit. More smoke. You can already see it almost looks done. This is at about 6:30. They had been going for about 3 hours at this point. I wanted to go a little bit longer. So I came back out after adjusting the grates a little bit to restrict that airflow again. This is at 7:30. I called this pretty much done. So, taking my first bite, looks pretty good. Looks like jerky, has that nice crack from the bend. It was tough like jerky, so that worked. It wasn't too tough though, and it actually tasted pretty good. So I was pleasantly surprised. And then this is the cured meat. Definitely looks a little bit different. It was just a simple salt cure, really soft, really tender. And it honestly was good, but it was a little salty, as you can see in my face here. Yeah, it was a bit salty, but good. And then here I'm just bagging up the jerky normally. I'm just gonna eat this at work tomorrow because nothing special about it. And I had a little visitor. He was inspecting my work. And then I was going to do something like fancy with the cured meat. I was like planning on getting some of the excess salt out, but I just put it in a bag.
Squirrel, is it?
No. And then here's the ultimate test. It's not squirrel.
It looks gross.
That's not gonna hurt my feelings.
It smells good.
It's jerky, so it's...
I like it more than the stuff you made yesterday. I can actually chew it.
Yesterday?
The other day. It's not bad. It's a little spicy.
It's got red chili on it.
Can Jasper try it?
No. It's got garlic. Garlic's toxic to doggies.
I taste the smoker.
Yeah. What if I told you that was squirrel?
It wouldn't be that big of a
I'm
deal.
kidding.
I just don't want to eat
It's
squirrel.
not squirrel. It's beef. What
It's not bad.
What if I told you that's one of your quail?
Tastes good.
Do you want the rest of that?
No.
Okay, I'll take it.
It is spicy.
What's the point?
Eat that chili quick.
Here's the simple recipe on screen. I honestly didn't measure it that much. I just kind of winged it. The first batch I made was actually in the oven, and that was like my prototype. And I used way too much soy sauce. It was really, really heavy on the soy sauce. And while I got you guys here, I guess I'll go ahead and reveal that the first place I plan on going pretty soon is Sipsey, Alabama. It's a national forest area, so I expect to have some fun there. I've been there quite a bit. I was going just about every year in the Scouts, so it's an area I know pretty well. So I figured it was a good place to start first, and it has some cool early Mississippian and Pennsylvanian rocks, so I think that'll be pretty cool to look at and a great first video. So hopefully next time you see me, I'll be there.